Hello. Well, here we are in my Diablo 3D. It's a black horse models ARF. Man, it's light. Really light. Quite big. I think there's a, not too sure, 50 inches, 55-inch wingspan, 52. Like a 1,000 watt brushless motor in it. It's a 15-inch prop and a 3,000 milliamp 3-cell LiPo. I should run a 4-cell, probably go better. We'll try this. Here we go. You guys up in your chair. Hope you're all square and looking straight ahead. Now click in here. I'm gonna give the old Diablo a little run here. Ready? Now the prop is very balanced. Wow. I think I'll have to use a wooden prop. Yeah. I'll put like a wooden. Well, let's see what's wrong with this one. Maybe this one just needs balancing. I have a prop balancer coming and I think this is a 15.7.5. Maybe I have a higher pitch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something stopped. I wonder what happened. I don't see smoke. That's a good thing. Oh, it seems to... Interesting. Where'd you stop, guys? Oh, I see. The motor's come loose. I don't know why it stopped, but if the motor comes loose, oh, well, I have crashed this motor, so maybe it's toast. We'll have to see, but it'll fly again. You see the motor came loose inside there. Oh, wait, more. The wires all pulled around. This could be the end of that motor. We'll see. Didn't crash at least. She'll fly again.